This is Adrian Melero from Miami Acupuncture Therapy. And in today's video, I'm going to give you a review of the ketogenic diet. There's been plenty of buzz about that recently, and I will probably give it a thumbs up. Basically, what it consists of is a very high fat, as in the healthy kind of fats, moderate protein, not high protein, which many people mistake it for, like the Atkins diet. It's just a moderate protein and low carbs. I believe it has its place in effectiveness, particularly with certain medical conditions. If you're diabetic, if you have Alzheimer's, basically with Alzheimer's, a lot of people tend to nickname it like a type 3 diabetes, where you don't have like enough glucose or glycogen going up to the brain, and that contributes to the brain inflammation. And healthy fats such as coconut oils, things with the medium chain triglycerides will help nourish that, since the sugars and the carbohydrates cannot do so. The fats have the ability to do that. Also, with balancing the blood sugars with the diabetics, the way the fats break down, it's a very slow rise in your sugars, your blood sugar after your meals. It's going to be more like this during your meals instead of this. It does tend to be very low carb, so in my opinion, I think it could be modifiable, especially if you exercise. You could have the healthy starchy carbohydrates, so you can have the muscle glycogen in your muscles, like ready to use, So I believe it's modifiable, but there's definitely many benefits that the ketogenic diet can do. A lot of overlooked things, I guess mostly because of cultural reasons. There's so many things out there for carbohydrates, whereas if you have healthy fat choices such as like coconut oil, with coconut oil alone, you can satisfy 10% of your caloric requirements just with 1 or 2 tablespoons, whether it's through cooking or mixing it in with a salad or mixing it in with a smoothie. Also, chia seeds, where you can get all your omega-3 requirements at the same time, so you don't have to supplement it. You're getting it already, and it's also very versatile how you can prepare chia seeds, whether it's in soup, smoothie, or sprinkling salad. Very versatile as well, and you can get a lot of your calories from the fats. I mean, for every gram of fat is 9 calories for every gram of fats, as opposed to 4 or 5 of proteins and carbs. So they're, it's kind of like our alternative form of fuel. As a very brief primer on how the body works as far as fuel, proteins, carbs, and fats. It's kind of like a car, a hybrid fuel car, where one source of fuel is, let's suppose, gasoline, and another source of fuel, let's say propane or whatever, or another source of fuel, electric or charcoal. Each one has a different category, and one draws from more than the other. Well, the body's similar, as fats, carbs, and proteins, and basically you're choosing to use more fats as the source of fuel that you burn. But there's many ways to modify those 3 macronutrients, whereas if you want to burn more of your stored fat, you can use that as your fuel calories, and once you get that down, you could replace it with the healthy oils, whether it's coconut oil, chia seeds, avocado is great. Another very neutral tasting thing that's versatile. Even, I know there are many people vegetarians, but if you eat a moderate amount of meat, also you can get some fats there too, as long as it's in appropriate moderation. And that's pretty much my 2 cents of the ketogenic diet. For those of you who are not familiar with it and you're hearing about it, and that's my take. So if you like my videos and I have some more good stuff coming up very soon, be sure to like it and subscribe it with a big thumbs up.